Danke bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa if kuyenzeka ubukela i-clip uyayithanda ningakhohlwa uku-like akukhuli leyo nto leyo ikhulisa i-page, right? So asingeneni ku-striker ze-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, kuzoba nzima kakhulu for i-striker ezinye laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. uDupreez, oDuba, uMorris-ke asikambali nokumbala, uBatman akakadlali, ama-fans ayakhala ukuthi akadlale. So with the rise of uSilva is not even a starter laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs but already washayela amagoli. u-Ighodaro ifizikhi yakhe kuyabonakala ukuthi izosebenza ku-continental level, and then kusasenoMayo naye one-experience laphana bafethu ku-professional setup whether ku-local football or ku-continental football. So it's gonna be very very difficult for abanye abadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi badlale as i-strike. Imagine une-strike eziwu-8 ethimini, 8 strikers. Even i-introduction of uHlongwane siyazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs uzoyisiza in a long run, but kokwamanje ulaphana ku-DDC team because of obviously they can't have i-strike eziwu-8 ku-match day squad or fighting for one position. And inking of the problem enye bafowethu ukuthi badlalisa i-strike esisodwa, and i-striker isikhathi esiningi i-striker zaku-Kaizer Chiefs sine-versatility. Uma ubheka uDuba uyakwazi ukuba sesayidini, uDupreez uyakwazi ukuba sesayidini and then uMayo naye uyakwazi ukuba sesayidini, uyakwazi ukuba u-number 10 or uyakwazi ukudropa abe second striker. So maybe i-system abangayizama babona ukuthi izobasebenzela or ngeke ibasebenzele, and then they can build on that or try and have amanye ama-systems azoba-benefit azobasiza. But I don't understand, like Kaizer Chiefs is too loyal to ama-players wabo. Khona ama-player bekumele ahambe to be fair ku-Kaizer Chiefs. There is no way ube ne-strike eziwu-8. Ayenzi sense ukuthi i-team ibe ne-strike eziwu-8. Bazodlala kanjani kumaphi ama-position? If i-Kaizer Chiefs i-decide ukuletha uMayo, u-Ighodaro, uBatman noSilva, 4 strikers, kusho ukuthi kunenkinga ku-striking department in terms of amagoli. But still they preferred le striker lezi. uDuba sedlalile, uDupreez sedlalile, abantu last season bebekhona lapha. I won't even dive deep kubo ngikhulume izinto ukuthi benze kanjani last season i-contribution yabo. No, I won't even get to that. But usane i-strike eziwu-4, uyagcina i-striker zakho ezinye bezikhona. And the worst part ukuthi uDuba bebamfuna eSaudi Arabia. Asazi ukuthi i-deal kwenzakaleni but bebamfuna eSaudi Arabia. Deal didn't go through. We don't know if i-Kaizer Chiefs, we don't know ukuthi wenzakaleni, but the offer was submitted to Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs azange bayivume leyo offer leyo. Are they too loyal kuma-player? Mani khona, it's not even ku-striking department kuphela bafowethu. Akukhona amanye ama-position agcwele kakhulu. So bheka ku-midfielder ukuthi basana ama-player angakanani ama-midfielders. oNdlovu, oLebohang Maboy, nangu Shislet naye. So bawasayinile ama-player different kuma-different positions, but-ke because of already or kunama-players amaningi bebanawo for the past few seasons, so they didn't let go of amanye ama-player bekumele ahambe. Yes, mabekhuluma bona bafethu bathi bafuna ukubuilda isquad esikhulu so ukuthi bakwazi ukucompete for izinto, which is good for bona ukuthi babe ambitious nanokuthi bakwazi ukuphusha for izinto. But-ke khona ama-player, you can't have a player for 4 years uma uthi uyabheka ukuthi liyenzeleni i-team, there's nothing super sustainable ongakhuluma ngayo ukuthi uli-rate high play ukuthi okay, this one scored 10 goals a season, so we think he can improve heading to the next season. No, umuntu umjaja based on what he has done for i-team, and then ubone from lapho ukuthi okay, uyadeserve ukuhlala or akadeserve ukuhlala. Baningi abantu bekumele bahlale nabo basho ukuthi mfethu, we love you as the Kaizer Chiefs or management iyakuthanda, but what has been your contribution to the team, and do you think you have done enough ukuthi uhlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Some of the players abahleli laphana, they haven't done enough for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Fana noGeorge Mahlowa ayikho into ayenzela i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke yena isitori sakhe si-different because of ukube injured for quite some time. A couple of many months he was out. Is it many? Yeah, he was out for many months, but he came back. But he's not that sharp. What are they keeping him back? So ugcina uMahlowa maba explain abona bangathi they keeping him based on what? So angisho ukuthi akahambe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but sengiyasho nje. And then uyena kwamanye ama-play uwa-evaluate ama-player usho ukuthi okay wena wenze udlala amagame awu-30 last season ucontribute 1, 2, 3 this was expected from you so you didn't reach or meet i-standards ezi-Kaizer Chiefs abasidingayo. I mean labantu laba bafuna ukuphusha for ama-competitions bafuna ukuphusha for izinto ezi-different but still they would have ama-player owabonayo na ukuthi ngeke acontribute lutho ethimini. So they just but with that being said, I have to mention this. Umuntu akalahle, umuntu uyashintsha. But you can't have a 30-something-year-old player elingeke li-contribute for a team. Ubani lo mjida lo uGustin Sereno siyazi ukuthi akadlala amagame amaningi noma ngithi akaqala amagame amaningi but we know what he can do. Ukudala usiprovile masimbukela uGustin Sereno ukuthi okay uyalazi ibhola ne-contribution yakhe nje ethimini izoba yini but-ke khona amanye ama-player ongazi ngempela ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngaye noma menikwa i-chance ukuthi adlale uzokwenzani uzodilivani. So they need ama-fighter, they need ama-warrior, they need i-team strong bafowethu. Bangathi lokhu bathatha ama-chance badlala ihoyo, namhlanje badlalisa lona, kusasa badlalisa lona, next game futhi badlalisa bayambuyisa lo bese bambeke ngaphandle. Uzibuza ukuthi are they confused or kwenzakalani? But yeah, it's the nature of the game ukuthi kube nama-player amaningi. Uthando bafowethu esho uthando i-problem yabona uthando. I see this thing from ama-fans. Into straight but umuntu because of uthanda i-team angeke into yakhona vele ayibeke straight. Uzozama ukuchaza ukufavor because of reason from the point of uthanda ka reason based on i-logic ukuthi okay ulo uvuma udlala ama-game last season lesi ayi-30 ucontribute ama-goal ulo uconcede ama-goal angakanani futhi nalawo magoli waconcede kanjani. Was it just simple bekungamelanga waconcede? Could have easily been avoided? Angakanani ama-blend abenawo amagoli angene nje kalula laphana epalini. Zonke lezo zinto kumele bahlale nabo isizini mayiphela but-ke bona ngathi abakwenzi lokho. Abantu bahlala just based on ukuthi usibani bani or uthandwa i-management uthandwa yini. Just that alone bacishe labantu laba Kaizer Chiefs ihlalise umuntu ofana lese no-Happy Mashiyane. Happy Mashiyane bebaloke bathi uyahamba ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo uyahamba egcina angahambanga. Labantu bagcina uMorris contributing ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, yizi izinto okumele bahlale babheke if they decide to terminate ama-contract or bahambise abanye abantu on loan, let that be because of leyo nto izobasiza ukuthi ivulele abanye abafana laphana abadeservayo ukudlala ikhala. Cause manje ukugcina abantu obona ukuthi ngeke bacontribute lutho ethimini akusizi ngalutho. I-team kunokuthi leyo nto leyo ikhuphule but-ke ishona phansi because of khona ama-player angeke akwazi ukuthola ama-opportunity ngenxa nje ama-player asenesikhathi afikile eKaizer Chiefs but i-contribution yabo ile phansi. But before ngivala ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoDupreez. uDupreez siyazi ukuthi in terms of ama-contribution wakho ama-goal contributions unawo for i-Kaizer Chiefs. On average I think every 3 games uba na something where assist or goal. Last season he was not a starter. This season they still kept him. For what? You think, to be fair, do you guys believe that uDupreez being laphana phambili Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukucompete lese for i-league? Yasazi cela ubamba la. Danko bafowethu ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ni-subscribe making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.